This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make 15-minute congee. So this is a terrific comfort food which you can serve for breakfast or at any time of the day. And if you actually take more than 15 minutes, say you take 20 minutes, what does that mean? That means you get 20-minute congee. So let's get started. To save time, we're boiling the water using a kettle. So we got 1.5 liters of water, roughly 6 cups of water. So once that finished boiling, we're ready for the next step. I'm going to use this pot, which holds 6 cups of water. So we're going to use a 3-to-1 ratio. So 6 cups of water, we're going to use 2 cups of rice. So this is old rice from yesterday. So put that in. So we have 2 cups of rice in there. This is rice from the day before. It's already cooked. So put 2 cups of boiling water in there. So that's 2 cups of rice, cooked rice with 2 cups of boiling water. I have this blender here, so this makes it easier to mix the rice. So we're just gonna blend this rice. So just blend the rice like this. So we're just gonna have a look here. So you see the rice still largely formed here. I'm gonna keep it at medium heat. I'm gonna put the rest of the water in. So we have the 1 Chinese mushrooms that we soaked for about an hour and sliced. So put that into the congee. That will add a nice mushroom flavor. 4 ounces of chicken. It's a chicken thigh which we cut up into slices. You can cut it small or large slice. And then you put some salt in there. If you put it in overnight in the fridge, put a little bit of salt in there so you have the salty chicken. So I'm going to add the chicken in right now, right away. I like to add some slivered ginger. So just slice that up. I got about a teaspoon in there. These are preserved duck eggs, also called 1,000-year-old eggs. So when I was a kid, I used to think they were actually 1,000 years old. But actually they're not. They're just processed with different kind of alkaline solution. So it comes out like this. So these ones come in packages. They're very convenient. So you can buy these at the Chinese supermarket. So when you get them, they're like this. So you just break off the shell, and you see it's black inside. It's an alkaline process which turns the egg black. So you might want to look it up, but it's not actually 1,000 years old. I used to think that was the case when I was young. So this egg, you just cut it up and serve with your congee. The eggs, I just quartered the egg here. So just serve on top of the congee, or you can actually cut it into smaller pieces, put it in congee. And I remember one time they actually served these on a show called Fear Factor. So the contestants had to eat this, but this is a regular staple that we eat all the time. So the congee is just simmering for about 15 minutes now. It's ready to go. We're ready to eat. Wow. Wow, that's really comfort food. Enjoy. So sometimes it takes longer than 15 minutes. That's fine. Just simmer a little longer. This long grain rice doesn't actually break down, this particular brand. So sometimes that happens. So just simmer longer, or you can use different kind of rice. Jasmine rice is good for congee as well. So there you have it. A traditional Chinese comfort food. So this is chicken and 1,000-year-old egg congee. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.